Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just woke up and right now I'm going to take you guys on a day with me, and that means you guys will be going to school with me too. Today is like Wednesday and I have to wear this PE uniform, but I lost my uniform shirt, so I'm just gonna wear a plain white shirt. And like, I still haven't done my homework. I'm gonna do it. I just finished eating and I'm about to go to shower, and after showering I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'll see you guys when I go to Abigail's house because I have to like get her. Yes.
What?
I'll see you guys when I'm on my way. So I'm on my way to Abigail's house and I have to like go find a motorcycle to I'll see you guys when I find a motorcycle. I'm officially at Abigail's house. Abigail's house. What do you have to say now that school is coming back?
It's super kapoy and I feel really tired, and you know, yeah.
What is the English word for kapoy?
Tired.
I'm officially at Abigail's house.
Part of sa family, guys.
Hi. Hi. What's your name?
What's your name?
Zach Angelo.
Dak Indilo.
Zach. I'm part of their family now.
Yes. Part of his family.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yay. How cute. Everyone, icons, we're on our way to school.
Hapit na may malit.
Yes. Our class starts at 12 and now it is 11.
At 14.
It's 11:49.
Na-late na kami nito, guys.
Hello, wala na kuan. We'll see you guys when we arrive in school. Everyone, we arrived at our school. We're not late. We aren't late. No, we're not late. That's okay. That's not okay. That's okay. Bye guys.
Na-late na ko ba?
Bye, Abe. We just came back from the com lab and yes, and we have to clean our assigned areas and I don't like to clean, so this is gonna be very tiring and yes. Go for magic. Close. Open. Close. Kani. Everyone, we're going to watch the Mr. and Mrs. Diluan in our school, and you know the guy that is representing our school is my friend. Whoa! Oh.
Once again,
Ay, mo kadili. Naman. Uy, akin na ako vlog. Lagi mo pagkagat ng account nila. Boy, so niya, lugay na to. Lugay na to niya. For ang upat ako na to, kaya for picture kay tulo na ako. Wala ko sa. Wala ko may picture. Ay, picture dito lugay. Wala ko picture. Dato? Picture lagi dito.
Sa?
Pati mo picture mo daw.
Di man. Para ka daw.
Sila man do.
Upat na ka boys niya, ang naoras ko tulo na ako. Na, kana mo sa sila tanan.
So 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. So that is 2. 2, 2, and 1. And that is 3. That is 4. Oh no, they're just appliances. Okay. So like, guys, I received this from Jamaica, and it is really, really cute. Oi, sit down. Sit down, boy. Uy, balik din eh. Tapos ni. Uy, sit down, everyone. Lingkod. Lingkod. So guys, me and Ayan are going to the canteen right now, and like it is such an opportunity. Ato kami, mga kami kantin. Ali. Wala. Wala. Last day of school naman ako, Nico. Ba't naman? Hiya. It is so embarrassing. Like it is so embarrassing to be walking here. Hi, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. Wow, diba? Are you guys embarrassed? These two are actually. Oh my God! So like, yo, most of my classmates are here. Like, why are you guys here? You guys shouldn't be here because it is prohibited. So they took me here and like they kidnapped me. And like they shouldn't be here because like it's prohibited, but like they kept. Guys, this is what I mean about cleaning. I harvested some eggplants. So guys, we finished harvesting. Yo, subscribe. We finished harvesting. It's such an opportunity actually to like harvest some stuff in our school, and like everybody is looking at us. So yeah, my classmates are like doing gardening and like very good, and I have to help them. So let's go. This is Rababa, and it's his last day in the school, and he will be back in January. But I have like if you want to come back by January, I will put you on my blacklist, sir. Like you will be gone for good in my life, sir. I will put you on blacklist if you will come and teach us in our section in January. What do you have to say?
I'll be back.
Yeah, bye bye, sir. Everyone, this girl, like they literally, like it's so unfair. It's so unfair. Asa man ako nilabay, uy. Wow, kay basa nilabay. So like, really unfair, y'all. Like I have to like throw this away. Okay, that's alright. So everyone, we are in the forbidden forest right now. That is all the dirt, that is the forest right there, and like it is like so forbidden, and like I could get executed right now. Let's go, girl power! Y'all are playing catch the ball, and like it's girls versus boys. We were playing Chinese, and we had so much fun. Like they want to go to the bathroom right now, so we're going on our way to the bathroom. Hi guys, akong duo ni. Yeah, we have a duo on TikTok, so you guys should watch it out. Like ito na natin din ma-appear din here. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, guys. We're going back because no one is actually going to the bathroom. We are the back burner group. I mean, like, we are the only. Insert gate. Punta na ko ng nikit nga si 1, Oh my god, it's a prank. So yeah, we are going home right now, and like it is very crowded and stuff because all of them are my fans. No, they're not. Like they are following me right now because they're my fans. Like they got away in line, for like my hi. Welcome, unsubscribe. No. Unsubscribe. No. Wait, basta mabalik ako. Wait, ayaw pa, that's bad for my image. Uy, nagkana siya, like yan. Yeah. So like right now they are following me, like my fans are following me. It's like it's all way up like oh yeah. We're together now. No, we're not. You deny me, oh my god. We're not together. Oh y'all, we are back in Uncle Bro. Yes, we are back here. And like they are embarrassed again. And like, why? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Sige sila tuyo.
Look at that.
Mamapay na ko niya, guys.
Look at that. Oh everyone, we're on our way to 7-Eleven. And I don't know what we're gonna buy, but like we're coming in. Says push. Push and push.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Guys, she just saw like 1% piso.
Okay, so like all we know is like flakes and oil and like hot and spicy type of century tuna, but now we saw calamansi. Like, is that new? Oh my god! Girl!
Like me and Emerald just separated ways, and the reason why we caught the video earlier was because of this old woman who like sat in front of us, across us, and like we gave her some money to like buy some bread and eat it for her dinner. So I'm on my way home. Like everyone, I just arrived in my home. So that is the end of my video, you icons, and thank you very much for watching my video. And you guys tell me if I should do more content like this in the comments section below. Okay, bye icons.